What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to check Songbird price and where to sell or buy Songbird tokens. So finally they listed on one of the exchanges, and also they listed on a CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko. So if we go back to CoinMarketCap, right here you can see at the time of recording this video, the current price is 34 cents. And as of right now, there's not a whole lot of data, just their website, community chat, market cap is not available yet. And then fully diluted cap also not available. Circulation supply, volume and market cap, at least on the CoinMarketCap, is not available. But then when you scroll down, you could see the actual timeline and you can see the price when it was listed on the CoinMarketCap. It started with like 28 cents, and then I think the highest it was 34. And if you scroll down right here, you can see all-time low 28 and all-time high 34, and no data for circulation supply, total supply, or max supply. Then if you scroll up right here, if you press on market tab, then you're going to be able to see at the moment who has Songbird listed, and right now is BitTrue, and they have listed in two different pairs, Songbird to USDT, that's a Tether, and then Songbird to XRP. So if you press on it, it will take you to BitTrue exchange, and you can see right here where it was listed, and it went up for just a bit. It was 89 cents, and then it went down, and then the sale started, and it just went sideways, and it's just keeping the steady price. It's not going below 27 or 26 cents, and it's not really going over 35. You can come here and you can look at the price, and you can see already over here on the right hand side we have already book orders. So you can currently buy for 34, or you can also sell for 34, slightly less, and you can sell your tokens here or buy your tokens. For example, if you watch my previous video, and I'll leave a link in the description below, how to access your Songbird token. So what you'll need to do, you'll have to register at this website. First, you'll have to go here and then sign up, and then you'll have to send your tokens from your MetaMask account. If you're gonna go here, if you have some Songbird tokens, you'll have to press send, and you'll have to put your wallet address here, the one you'll get from BitTrue, and then you'll just send it here, and then you're going to be able to sell it. Or if you don't have any tokens and you just wanted to buy it, same thing, just register here, either buy XRP or USDT from here, or buy it from Coinbase, send it over here, and you can make a purchase and join Flare or Songbird community. And this is pretty much it. All the website links that I've used in this video, I'm gonna leave in the description below. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.